This one is good.
This is amazing, guys. You all better visit this restaurant.
I'm asking them if someone can marry me from Jamaica, and I will be having this.
I'm sure Jam Tours has a lot of Jamaicans followers. If you're watching this and you're from Jamaican, my good friend here is looking for a tall, dark, handsome Jamaican man. And you have to know how to cook, because she had Jam Tours saying that he cooks sometimes and Jamaican men love cooking. So if you don't cook for her, she will believe that you don't love her, because she said if a Jamaican man loves you, he's gonna treat you like a queen.
And again, this food is delicious. Imagine if you eat it as much as you can.
And it's a guy who prepared this dish, by the way, and I'm surprised. I can't even get close to what he's
Anyway,
done.
guys, we are eating others. They are
just
eat,
looking
guys.
at us.
Anyway, guys.